So we have often been asked the question as to what is the difference between automation, robotic process automation, and AI agents. And for anybody who has worked in automation, traditional automation is what's called RPA or robotic process automation. This is where you have code that has been written with a set of steps. There might be some decisions that are taken, but these are well-defined, well thought out steps that can be taken to take certain decisions and to automate things that are happening. Robotic process automation is used today to reduce process, to increase efficiency. However, when you use AI agents for automation, there are some fundamental differences. One fundamental difference is that AI agents take decisions not just based on software, not just based on code, but based on reasoning. What is reasoning? Reasoning is the ability to actually take decisions based on a lot of information and decisions that may not be obvious, to be able to reason, to use logic beyond just the logic that is coded into the software. So AI agents are actually capable of using reasoning engines. As an example, you might have heard of OpenAI's ChatGPT o1. o1 is a reasoning engine. When you build an AI automation system that is able to actually not just understand the input that has been given, and the input could be given, as an example, even in natural language, conversational language. Take input like that in conversational language, understand what it means, connect it with the data underneath, and then do some reasoning in order to foresee an action that needs to be taken. That is an AI agent doing automation versus robotic process automation, which was a traditional way. Nothing wrong with it, but it is a set of fixed steps that can be taken and fixed decisions that can be taken. In the case of AI agents, much more flexible, much more able to understand what's coming in and have that conversational ability. It is built on top of a large language model, things like OpenAI, things like ChatGPT, things like Gemini and Llama and all these other DeepSeek, as an example, is a new one that's come out. But agentic frameworks run on top of these conversational LLMs. Robotic process automation does not.